Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to set transaction default for iPhone. It can be useful for instant payments, so without wasting any time, let's get started by going to the settings app. Here in the settings app, what you need to do is scroll all the way down until you see the wallet and Apple Pay. Tap on it. Here what you need to do is simply add a card. This is the first thing you need to do. Once you do that, you will need to scroll down, and here in the shipping address, add your current address, then add your email, and lastly add your phone number. So once you add all of these, the transaction default will be applied to your transaction, so you can do instant transactions. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video. Thank you so much for watching.